Sige. Baik, mami magia. Ang dami ko video. Baik, mami magia. Xoxo, let me go. Tak, 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 tak. Mika baik, tak, mika baik, tak, mika baik. Come again. Come. Pakmadan Asyakan. This is nice.
Dude, I'm getting my personality back. Like I'm feeling like myself again.
Yeah, I know. Oh shit. Oh my god. Totally ripped my jeans. So now I'm sitting here with my ass out.
Open my nose, that I love you better than your first love. She get the click. First thing that I gotta do, I just stay out of my way. Out of your fucking mind, you can try.
Hell, bro. You're just coming here to offend me for no reason. I didn't do anything for you.
And I heard that you been hurting. Beside me, concentrating. I'ma fuck you real slow. Need to hear you say my name. Baby, I am on the way.
What is up, amiga? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jennyfer Ross, and I'm back at it again with another video. Today I started the day very productive. I already filmed a little skincare routine for Caudalie because I'm working with them on Instagram, and after that I did my makeup and finished getting ready, and now I am about to head out because my sister is coming to town today and we're gonna just have like a fun little day together because it's been a while since I've seen her. So that's what this video is going to be. Benny is heading out for work, and I think I'm gonna quickly join him so we can travel a little bit together because he's not going all the way where I'm going. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get into this day. Hi, Benny. Look at my amiga. Say hi. Say hi. What is wrong with you?
Bye. Bye.
Whatever. No, mi dia aqui na. Mami Rami.
Agora vai. Mari ko mata. Mami Rabo.
Oh, sorry.
Mami Rabo, bidi dia kisi. Di vai, mi dabai lagi bosa. Bidi mi dabai lagi.
Bidi bisa tá covando outra vez, só depois de AC day. Aí para que nem a me tanta coisa dele.
Oh, ya.
Woman ni Einstein. Hi, she's here. I was like, she's not gonna get me again this time. I'm gonna stand here, but then she saw me walking away.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
first fruit tea. What do you have? My sister has pressed apple juice. Hey, amiga. Hey. Come tranquilo.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, and pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All this money on me. Yeah, yeah. Cash rolls all around me. Yeah, yeah. All this money around me.
Okay, we stopped for a little drink. For me, a sugar-free Red Bull. Cheers, amiga. And what do you got?
Iced tea.
She has an iced tea. We're gonna see if the Ferris wheel is here, and then we're gonna take a ride in it if it's here. So pray for us that it's here. Pray for us, guys. And the sun is sunning. Like, look at the sun. It is our lucky day, because look behind me. It is there. Yay! I'm excited. We made it onto the Ferris wheel. We're going up. We're going up. We're going up, 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 up. Oh. Eerst een keer dat je komt? Ja. Wij waren maar ja. Omdat ik ben de wij waren maar ja. I'm in the sky.
Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life.
I want to go another round. They better not take me out of this thing. I'm not getting off yet. I'm not even looking at them. Goed, let me go. Stop, 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 stop. Make a bite, stop, make a bite, stop, make a bite. Stop, stop, stop. I tell you. I am enjoying myself so much. Hey, come. Pak me dan, als je kan. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Yeah. Crazy. Wait, nee, doe maar niet.
Oh.
Oh, dit is echt heel leuk, niet?
Ja, toch?
Ja.
Vind ik ook.
Amiga, você tá desse solo, tá quente solo.
Hey, calma aqui, aqui. Let me go. Don't take me off this thing. Oh, heerlijk. Heerlijk. You gotta enjoy, sis. Yeah. You really have to.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help? If you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt. Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't.
Yeah, we are now at the International Bookstore, just looking around. We are not looking for anything specific, but always fun to come to the International Bookstore. I heard a lot of things about this book now that I'm seeing it. The Little Prince. I've heard so many things about it.
Look, wave. tapped in. Lately my life had a fast man, but it's ass plan. Fight for my life with the brass hands, and I still ball with a bad hand. Got an aerial point of view, but they'll never see the big picture through zoom lens. From the quicksand, make it push start, type of band's coupe with the tent plans. I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Trail light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins.
Hey amiga, we are now at Dorothy's tea room. We're gonna have like a little wine, a little tea with a spunk moment. No, it's not tea at all. We ordered mimosas, but we're just chilling. It's such a relaxed day. How are you?
I'm great.
Yeah? You're loving it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm happy to hear that. But today is just a relaxed day. It's been a while since we've seen each other too, so we need to spend some time in the moment, enjoying some UV, you know? Yeah. It's great. It's great.
Dude, I'm getting my personality back though. Like I'm feeling like myself again. Yeah, I really was not myself.
Hindi ko pa lip gloss.
Yeah, me too. Yeah. Ako nanti kikompanyabo.
Uy, sorry.
Look, iba mi camera.
Dapat say kat
You break it, you buy it. I get that, but it's better if you don't break it right now.
I know.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Yay!
2 mimosas.
Oh, thank you.
Geniet ervan, dames.
Dankjewel.
Oh ja, dankjewel. This is pretty. This is nice. This is nice.
Dude, I'm getting my personality back though. Like I'm feeling like myself again. Yeah,
I know.
I really was not myself.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Dude, I'm getting my personality back though.
Cheers. Okay, amiga, we made it all the way to the mall. We're now gonna check out H&M and Zara, I think, because my sister needed something at H&M. I think a sweater or something, so we're gonna check it out. But we came here because the city is really, really busy, and that's just because it's nice weather. Everyone is out, so as they should, by the way. But yeah, we're gonna check out H&M and Zara and maybe eat something at the mall, and then I think the day is over. So
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair. Lying here in my bed. Never gonna be.
okay, amiga, we are now at Hawaiian Pokeball. We're gonna have our dinner. I have a little story time for you. So my sister needed to charge her phone, and the charger is all the way there, you know? So you need to walk all around to get there. So I was like, let me make a shortcut. And I went under this thing and totally ripped my jeans. So now I'm sitting here with my ass out and I have to go buy a new jeans after we finish dinner. Hopefully I find something. But yeah, that's the little story. Completely ripped out of my jeans, and you could hear the rip. Like it was so dramatic. But yeah, always something. And we are back at the Central Station. We're waiting for my sister's train. And yeah, it was such a fun day, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
You right? It was such a nice day. I really, really enjoyed it. So yeah, thought I would check in with you because we're saying bye to this amiga.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Ate tabi. E aí, para que tu jeans que braço? Amiga, você quer bater com o vai para trás? Puxa, amiga, puxa. Bam, 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 boom. Push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, that's impressive. How much you're messing with my feelings in my heart.
And I'm back home. Yay. I look so orange. That's probably because it's, well, the sun is setting. I'm gonna make myself comfortable and I will check back in with you. All right, amiga, I have been home for a while now and I am now going to take my makeup off and just end my day. But today was such a good day. I really enjoyed it and I really feel like spring is coming in hot now. I am also coming back to life, so I'm really excited for the upcoming time and just to be able to go outside again, do like fun walks and things like that, and really embrace this season and enjoy it. It's just a season that I feel the best in, so I am just really excited about it. Can't lie. So yeah, today was really nice to see my sister again also, because I haven't seen her in a while, and it was so nice to just catch up and explore the city and stuff. So I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Tip of the day is just to go outside, to do things that make you happy, hang out with people that make you feel good about yourself. People with high vibrations are so fun to hang around, so be sure to do that, you know. Ain't nobody got time for no negativity and bad vibes. That's just not it, you know. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And I hope to see you soon in another video. Bye!
She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could laugh of a little.